Hello everyone. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself as Eric. I'm one of the members on this team, and as you should know that in this video we are going to explain about our mobile application. This video is made by the purpose of joining this competition. And our mobile application is called Manabu, or you can know it as a Japanese Hiragana learning app, mobile apps for niche need. Next, we got our team members. The first one is Henry, the second one is Vendryan, the third one is Jerry, the fourth one is Agus Yanto, the fifth one is Eric, and the last one is Nicky Nicholas. Next, about our mobile application will be more explained by my team members.
About Manabu. What is Manabu? Manabu is a mobile application that aims to help Indonesian students learn hiragana in Japanese by firstly teaching basic letters in the Japanese hiragana writing system, and then practice reading letters and words in hiragana. Manabu has three main features. The first one is vocabulary, where we can learn hiragana with vocabulary table. The second one is quizzes, where we test the user's reading skills by taking on quizzes. And the last one is profile, where the users can see achievements that they have earned in this application. The content for the vocabulary and quizzes for Manabu is first basic hiragana, then Rakuten and Handakuten, then Yoon in hiragana, and lastly words in hiragana. Next will be an explanation the UI design we are using for Manabu. Thank you.
Okay, this is the UI for login and registering account in Manabu. Users can sign in via email and password, or immediately use their Google account to sign in to Manabu. On the login page, there are two pop-ups that will appear if you fill in the wrong form. In this form, the first one is unregistered email, and also your password is wrong. Before signing using email and password, users need to register an account first by clicking this word. In the register page, users need to enter email, password, and also to confirm their password by entering the same password in this field. The register page has two alert dialog that pop up when the user register with an email that has already been used to register in Manabu. And then when the user successfully register an account. Okay, and next will be an explain for the UI used in vocabulary page. Thank you.
Now, I will explain the UI of the vocabulary page on the Manabu application. So, in the vocabulary page, user can browse and click on the module to display a vocabulary table. The module consists of four main categories that consist of hiragana, Rakuten, Handakuten, and Yowon. Its categories will display the vocabulary table based on the multiple word groups. For instance, this one will display vowels and K consonants. We can tap on the button on the top left above to go back to the vocabulary page. And this is all the vocabulary table on the Manabu application. This is a vocabulary table for the Hiragana 2, Hiragana 3, Hiragana 4, Hiragana 5, and then Rakuten 1, Rakuten 2. And then Handakuten, Yowon 1, Yowon 2, and Yowon 3. We can tap on the button on the navigation bar on the bottom to navigate between the quiz page, vocabulary page, and profile page. That's all from me. Next will be the explanation on the UI used in the quiz page. Thank you.
Thanks to my friend for passing it to me. And now I'm going to continue the presentation. Here, I'm going to continue on presenting the quiz pages. So, like the vocabulary pages, it also has a basic hiragana, dakuten, handakuten, and yo. And it also has the daily quizzes and the speed test. It allows the user to learn or to further practice on reading Japanese hiragana. So here we can see that there is an icon or logo here. There's a green one and the purple one. So the green one means that we have successfully achieved a perfect score in the quiz. And the purple one means that we haven't completely achieved a perfect score in the quiz. So the color changes from purple to green if the user have managed to get a perfect score in the quiz. So for example here, we can see the Hiragana one, we got a score of 10 and it will be green. And if it's below 8, it will be purple. So the majority of the quizzes here will be logged for the first time when we use this application. In order to unlock them, we need to at least get 80% of the quizzes correct in the previous quiz. For example here, if we want to continue to the Hiragana 3, we need to at least get the score of 8 inside the Hiragana 2. For now, I'll try to open the Hiragana 1 to test the quizzes out. In here, the user can see the hiragana that is displayed on the screen, and the user will try to guess what letter it is and put the answer inside this text box. If we think that it is correct, we can click on the next. And if we are not sure and if it's too hard for us, we can just skip it. If we guess this letter wrong, it will show a pop-up when we click on next. So here's the sample. It will say that we are wrong. So each question has a point. If we answer it right, for all 10 of them, we will get 10. And if we skip it, for example, we will get nothing. So after we finish up the quizzes, there will be an alert pop-up that will show us the score and then if we succeeded or not. So for example here, we can see that we got a score of 10. And then after that, we'll be back to the main pages for the quiz. The next one, I'm going to explain the daily quizzes. So as we can see here, in daily quizzes, as we can see here, the daily quizzes consist of 5 words in hiragana that are generated daily from a pool of words in our database. So like before, we need to read it out and then we need to insert the answer here and then we click next until we finish. It will show us the score like before and then we're done and back to the quiz page. And last but not least, we got the speed test. In here, we can see that there's a timer for us to decide whether or not the word in these quizzes have correct hiragana and romanji pairing or not. And we need to do this 10 times. So if this pairing is true, we can click on the true button. And if it's false, we can click on the wrong button. And it will proceed to the next question. And then in the end of the quizzes, we'll get a pop-up that shows us the score that we get and how many questions that we managed to answer in this quiz. So for example here we got 5 out of 10 and then we can click on back here and we'll back to the main pages. So let's go back to the speed test. If we are not able to answer all the questions and this timer reaches 0, it will show a pop like this. For example here, so it says that we are running out of time and then we got a score here 5 out of 10. And that's all for the quiz page. I'll pass my presentation to my friend for the UI explanation in the profile pages. Thank you.
In the profile page, we can see username, profile picture, the number of achievement earned, and the email used to register in Manabu. The user can change their username by clicking on this pencil icon near the username. User can see what achievement they have earned in achievement menu. Here, user can see what achievement they have completed, progress and uncompleted achievement, and also local achievement. User need to at least try the quiz associated with the achievement once to unlock the achievement. Also, user can change their password in profile page by tapping on this button. Here user need to enter their previous password and the new password. Also need to confirm their new password by entering the new password in the confirm password field. An error will be shown up if the user successfully changes the password. And the user can see the version information about Manabu in this page. Here we can see the information about application and also the version number. And lastly, the user can log out by pressing this button. This concludes the UI design presentation. Thank you.
Okay, that is all for our explanation. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. We hope that throughout this video you can understand more about our mobile application. And we apologize if we have made some mistakes in this video. And through this competition, we hope that we can study more and improve as we grow. Thank you so much. That is all. Goodbye.